Welcome back. Ramakat Khalap has suggested that Goa should adopt the land acquisition and rehabilitation and resettlement policy. This new policy adopted by Haryana offers landowners adequate compensation in land acquisition issues.
Chairman of Law Commission Ramakant Khalap has made a strong suggestion to the Goa government to adopt a new proactive land acquisition and rehabilitation and resettlement policy for Goa. Khalap has written to the Chief Minister Digambar Kamat drawing the attention to a comprehensive land acquisition and rehabilitation and resettlement policy adopted by the state of Haryana. This policy has been highly acclaimed all over India. The suggestion assumes significance in the current context of national highway expansion plans. On the issue of roads and highways, Khalap has advocated that under no circumstance the width of any road or highway should be reduced or compromised as vehicle population is bound to increase multiple times.
ही पॉलिसी आसा ते पॉलिसी खातीर हरियाणा सरकार आपल्या शेतकऱ्यांक सुमारे 12 लाख ते 42 लाख पर्यंत पर एकर जमनीची किंमत दिता. शेतकऱ्यांनी ती किंमत घेतल्या उपरांत कोर्टान वचूं नये म्हणून जवळ जवळ 20% अलाउन्स दिता. 33 वर्षां दर वर्षा सुमारे 12,000 ते 40-45,000 रुपया अशा स्वरूपाचे वर्षासन दिता. हे वर्षासन दर वर्षा 500 ते 1,500 रुपयापर्यंत वाडयता.
Khalap believes that this experiment can be replicated in Goa to the benefit of all concerned. He has advocated this concept for industrial estates, Mopa Airport, Sports City as well as implementation of outlined developmental plans of towns like Mapsa, Ponda, Madgaon, etc. A reporter from Mapsa, Sham Sundar Fatte.
IFFI delegates for the first time have got a film village in Panji. SAG and Sports and Youth Affairs have set up a film village at Kampal. Around 15 delegates are staying in the village for the past 8 days. Delegates have given a good feedback about this arrangement. Here is a report.
Many delegates are staying in hotels in Panji, but Sports Authority of Goa and Sports and Youth Affairs Department have come out with a unique initiative. They have set up a film village at Kampal. There are over 15 tents that can accommodate 100 delegates. The charges at the film village are quite reasonable at 200 rupees per day per person.
How you find the facilities?
Facilities are quite good.
This is a winter season, but you are staying for so many days. You felt any cold or anything?
No, nothing like that.
But there are also some delegates who want more improvement at the village.
Actually, this is for the first time. They have made the best actually. We expect little more because this food, providing food, they would have been organized in a much better way. Actually, they have asked us to go reach to the food and order for things. It would be better if they provide a buffet system like that.
The delegates have been provided with electricity facilities in the tents with the bathroom facilities at the SAG complex. Organizers say they were expecting more delegates at the village.
Delegates are they are thrilled because this is a life they would like to enjoy because everybody stays in hotels and all. This is something new concept. We got a sports complex, so we have told them they can utilize our swimming pool facilities, indoor facilities, and whatever is there within our complex. And then what happen? Advantage is there because if he is just walkable distance.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Khandolkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
11 beneficiaries chosen under the Goa Scholar Scheme were awarded on Monday. The students are chosen by a committee headed by Dr. Anil Kakodkar. The awards were instituted in 2003.
11 students have been awarded the Goa Scholars Scholarship this year. The awardees were chosen by a committee headed by Dr. Anil Kakodkar. The basic objective of the scholarship is to promote pursuit of postgraduate studies of meritorious students. The scheme carries an amount of 2 lakh rupees per year for 2 years in India and a one-time amount of $15,000 for studying abroad. 41 Goan students have so far benefited from the Goa Scholar Scheme that was started in 2003. This year, 66 applications were received, out of which 36 students were shortlisted. Chief Minister Digambar Kamat distributed the checks to the students at a function held at the Secretariat on Monday.
म्हाका दिसता गव्हर्नमेंटाचें कर्तव्य की अशा भुरग्यांक सुद्दां खंय तरी हेल्प करपा जाय. We should find out if there is one or two cases like this where really they deserve even they don't feel into this particular category, we should go out of the way, use our discretion and see that those students are not deprived of the further education just because parents are poor or they don't have money.
The students and parents expressed their happiness over the awards.
We would definitely contribute to whatever Goa vision plan you all have, because our ultimate aim is to come back to Goa.
Our reporter Devdas Kamli with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
The inspiration behind Lakshmikant Pyarilal's super duper song My Name is Anthony Gonsalves was felicitated on Sunday. The legendary music director duo were inspired by one of their troupe members, Anthony Gonsalves, a Goan by birth and a musician at heart, a personality whom Pyarelal still calls his guru. Here is a report.
My name is Anthony Gonsalves. What's that? Right? My name is Anthony Gonsalves.
This Amar Akbar Anthony song became phenomenal in the 80s, the angry young man trying to woo Bollywood's glamour girl Parveen Babi. But the real Anthony Gonsalves is a musician from Lakshmikant Pyarilal's music troupe, and he is a Goan, an unsung hero who was felicitated by Heritage Jazz during IFFI. It was an overwhelming moment for the Gonsalves family, Pyarelal and of course for all their fans.
I don't know what to say, but I'm so happy and I'm so happy to see my students have come up and surpassed me. I'm so happy.
The greatness of Anthony Gonsalves can be described in the words of legendary music director Pyarelal. We have learnt a lot from him. He is our guru.
मुझे जिन्होंने बताया रास्ता कि म्यूज़िक क्या होता है, म्यूज़िक कैसे होता है, और मेनली इनका सबसे बड़ा हाथ जो है मेरे पर कि वायलिन इंस्ट्रूमेंट को आप मतलब कैसे बजाएं, ये तो पहली बात है। मुझे जो कहना है इनके बारे में कि एंथनी जी ने मतलब फर्स्ट आदमी हैं जिन्होंने सिम्फनी ऑर्केस्ट्रा 50s में लिखा। उसके बाद में उन्होंने वहाँ कॉन्सर्ट भी किया था। उस कॉन्सर्ट के अंदर लता मंगेशकर, मन्ना डे और वहाँ के जितने टॉप के म्यूजिशियंस थे। तो एंथनी साहब के लिए मुझे इतना वो है रिस्पेक्ट कि आज हम लोग जो भी बने हैं लक्ष्मीकांत प्यारेलाल, इसमें इनका बहुत बहुत बड़ा हाथ रहा है।
Excuse me, please. My name is Anthony Gonsalves. Right?
So when you listen to this song, don't forget to feel proud about the inspiration behind this classic is a Goan. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
A wonderful song and a wonderful movie which was enjoyed by one and all, and of course for us Goans, something to feel proud of. Let's now take a short break. Stay tuned.